Yo, what is going on, everybody? Thomas here, and welcome back. So, today is a Civic video, as you can tell. So yeah, let's dive into it. I'm not going to be making the installation video, but I'm showing you guys what I got. So for the rear, I got these Honda floor mats. I also got the Civic floor mats for the front. And there's like a red theme already on the inside of the car, so I decided to go with it. I got the aluminum freaking battery holder, oil cap. I think I'm gonna try and find like a BBS thing, like, you know, something like that to go in the middle. I bought these Honda badged valve stem covers, the dress up kit for the engine bay. I also got the belt things, you know, and I got the cool new keychain. I don't know what that is, but we'll find out. And then when I find myself a nice set of rims, I bought myself some red freaking lug nuts to go on the whip. Bought myself a steering wheel cover, because mine is falling apart. I also had to get the seat covers. Now, some of you may be wondering where I got it from. If you couldn't tell, I got it from Amazon. All of this right here costed $200 and like some change. I was gonna get my red radiator hoses, but they were out of stock in red, and they were another $50. So I decided to bail on that for now and just get this stuff. I don't have rims yet. I might be getting some soon, but as of now, these are on the back burner. Everything else, besides the valve stems, also everything else is gonna go on the whip. Hopefully this oil cap fits. I'm pretty sure these Allen keys will fit, and everything else should fit. Hopefully those lugs fit on my car as well. But there you guys have it. That's your short little video on how I spent $200 on the Civic. Peace out.